Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add shadow to a video on CapCut PC. So it only works if you can mask the part of the video, for instance like this rounded object, or this frame. You can add shadow, but you can't really add shadow to the person. I'm just stating that before I make this video. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to copy and paste it. On the second one, I'm going to kind of adjust it a little bit like so. And on the first video, I'm going to select effects, go to basic, and add in a blur. So add it down here and adjust the blur like so. Then I'm going to go to media, go to library, and I'm going to add in this black background. And I'm going to add it on top of the blur. And I'm also going to rotate it and adjust it like so. Go to mask and select rectangle, and you are going to then adjust the background, and you're also going to want to feather it out just a little bit. And I think that's it. As you can see, there's a shadow here. You can also adjust the opacity a little bit on the background if you don't want it to be too harsh. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!